is hot today in Kalgoorlie, 600 k's away from Perth. This is today's video, 200 Series Land Cruiser. This is what I drive every day, and I'm going to show you guys what it can do and what I've done to it. Drive. Got Alex in the back helping me film today. A-Log driving the 200 Series in natural habitat in Kalgoorlie. Car there. Oh, it's right. It's upside down. I'm just gonna go see this pit and take some pictures of the 200 Series. Some red dirt. So Aiden's having a good time. Oh yeah. Got the little spark ready to go. Get some footage. That peeled, boy. Tap that subscribe button, put the bell on, notifications, give us a thumbs up, and I'll show you more about this 200 Series Land Cruiser and what it does, what power it makes. Not stock, it's far from stock, but I'll show you guys what it can do. So if you guys got any questions about the 200 Series, like bonnet scoop, also the front mount intercooler I've got in it, aftermarket one, and why I put it in and stuff like that, I'm going to make another video up. The mods and engine bay shot, interior shot, drawers, dual battery setup and stuff like that. Also the ARB under protection I put on as well, and diff drops in here. Got quite a few things done to this 200 Series. Just hit me up. Questions, I'm happy to answer. And also thanks to the boys at Toyo Tune. If it wasn't for them, this car would not be where it is right now. Those boys are awesome. Thumbs up to those guys. Any time I need a service, I just call them up, book my car in the same day, get it back 3-4 hours later and done. I'm very happy. They're stoked with their service and stuff like that. So yeah, for now, until next time, I will put another video up on what people want to see and what mods and also fuel tank and stuff upgraded in this one and why I did it. And yeah, see you next time.